my channel. So today we are going to be talking about the Yeezy 700s in the mauve colorway. Now these just dropped today, the 27th of October, and the retail price is 380 Australian dollars. Now before we get into the sneakers, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy unboxing videos, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I upload every Wednesdays and Sundays, so you guys don't want to miss out. And let's just talk about these. So this is the Yeezy 700s in the mauve colorway, and this is the second colorway that they've dropped in this silhouette. The first one is of course the OG Wave Runner, which I'm sure you guys are all familiar with, and it only took them like a year to come up with a new colorway. To be honest, when I first saw photos of these, I wasn't really that into them. I was a bit like, but now that I have them in hand, I feel like they're such a good colorway, very fall appropriate, even though it's springtime here in Australia. And because it's a darker colorway, I feel like I would get a lot of wear out of them compared to the OG one, because I don't know, I'm just afraid of getting my sneakers dirty. I know I'm one of those people. They made a few minor changes to the sneakers. So one of the most obvious one is the outsole. On the mauve one, they've used a gum outsole, whereas the OG one is black. On the sides, there is still that 3M detailing. So if you take a photo with flash, you'll be able to see the 3 stripes as well as like a reflective portion at the back of the sneakers, which I think is really, really cool. Another minor change is the insole. So on the OG one, it just has the Adidas logo, whereas the new one actually has the Adidas logo as well as the Yeezy logo on the insole. So I know that's not something you would notice, but I guess if you are doing like a legit check, that's something you can look out for. In terms of comfort, they are really comfortable because they have the boost technology, but personally for me, I find that in comparison to the 350s and the 500s, these are not as soft to begin with, but they do get softer over time because I've worn these for a while now and they're really comfy, and they get more comfortable the more I wear them. Sizing wise, I find that the 700s fit a little bit small, so I recommend going half a size up. And when you first get them, they're really, really snug in the toe box. When I initially got these ones, I thought I got the wrong size, so I got them in a 6.5, which is half a size up from my true to size, and they felt really snug. But don't freak out, because the more you wear them, they actually loosen over time, so they feel really good now. The rest of the sneaker actually feels really roomy, so if you have wide feet, this would probably be really good for you. Personally for me, I'm a huge fan of the chunky silhouette, and I feel like this colorway could definitely go well with a lot of outfits. So I'm going to jump into some on-feet stuff as well as how to style these. So if you guys are interested in what I'm wearing, I'll list it in the description bar below so you guys can check it out. So let's just do that. Video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I upload every Wednesdays and Sundays. And let me know in the comments below what you guys think about the Yeezy 700 mauves, and if you managed to cop a pair. If you guys missed out, I'm pretty sure the resale on these are actually not too bad, so you can think about that. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys really, really soon. Bye. Ready, because I upload site. So, oh my god.